Something colorful and amazing just arrived at my desk. Let's unbox it together. Hi guys, I'm Varsha. Welcome to my YouTube channel Visuals by Varsha. Today I'm unboxing the PR package from Kareem Brush Markers. They have sent me their brand new launches and I can't wait to show you what's inside. If you love colors, brush markers and gel pen, then trust me, you are going to love this unboxing. So guys, here are the gel pens and brush markers. I know it's huge. Let me show you what we have here. A huge thank you to Kareen for sending me this package. Inside we have some of their latest product. I will show you the products today and in my upcoming videos I will be testing and swatching each of them so you can see how they really perform. So inside this huge box we have 3 boxes. So let's open the first one. First up, this beauty, the Real Brush Pro set with 72 colors. Look at the packaging. It already looks like an artist's dream. These are watercolor brush markers. I will open it up in a minute so you can see all shades. Okay, I'm excited. Wow, this looks amazing. Okay, so let's open one brush pen and see the tip. So the tip is different from the old brush markers. It has a flexible tip that makes it ideal for painting, blending and obviously our calligraphy. Next we have something I am personally very excited about. The metallic real brush markers. These are perfect for adding shimmer and shine to lettering, calligraphy and even highlights in illustration. Can't wait to take this out. So I can read here that we should store it horizontally. I will do that. We can use this on black and white both paper. You can see at the top we have the trial section. So I will show these swatches in the next video. Let's open one shade and look at this. It's so beautiful. And finally, just look at this, a collection of 50 deco gel pens. These are designed for decoration and the range covers metallic, neon, pastels, basically everything you would ever need to add details and make your work look amazing. Okay, just hold on a second. I'm just opening this package. So they have divided 50 gel pens into 3 categories. One is Milky Way that has 10 gel pens. Another one is Metallic that has 20 gel pens. And another one is Star Sparks that again has 20 gel pens. So total we have 50 colors. So look at this beautiful 20 shades we here. Let me show you. We have a nice grip here. So you can easily hold this pen and do your creativity. Then we have set of 10 gel pen. These are neon shades. And the last one is Star Sparks. Again we have 20 shades here. Look at this beautiful shades. So that was today's unboxing of Kareen's new launches. The Real Brush Pro 72 Metallic Real Brush and the Deco Gel Pen 1.0. In my upcoming videos, I will be swatching testing each of these separately. So make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon if you don't want to miss them. Let me know in the comments which one would you like to see swatched first. The huge 72 color set, the metallics or the gel pen. I would love to hear your thoughts. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.